Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So first we should open the settings and then scroll to the home screen section. Then scroll a little bit down here and tap to hide apps on home screen. And then just select the applications which you wanna hide. For example, let's hide this 4 applications. Then just tap here to done, and one will go back here to the home screen or to the app menu. Here we can't here see these applications. If you wanna just to unhide them by the same way, go to the settings, tap to the home screen, click here to hide apps on home and app screens, and just click here on these minuses. And let's just go back again to the apps menu here, and now we can see here these applications. So once again, I think I just didn't tap to OK, to done. OK, and click here to done after that, and now we can see these apps here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.